हमारे देश में है जो हम उठाना चाहते हैं हमारे देश में, और ये उठाने के लिए सरकार इस भाषण को इस्तेमाल कर सकते थे। हमारे जवाब में तो नेचुरली प्रतिपक्ष की भी ये जिम्मेदारी है कि ऐसे मुद्दे हम ऐसे भी बताएं जनता को जो संसद के अंदर चर्चा होनी चाहिए, जो अब तक नहीं हुई है। बस यही बात।
नीट को लेकर भी कहा कि निष्पक्ष जांच होगी, दोषियों पर
कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, लेकिन हम ये भी समझना चाहते हैं कि इस किस्म की मैनेजमेंट क्यों इतना बुरा हुआ इस बार। आपको पता है कि कभी कभी पोस्टपोन होता है, कभी कभी कैंसिल होता है, कभी कभी परीक्षा चलती है, किसी को ग्रेस मार्क्स मिलते हैं, क्यों नहीं मिलते। ये सारे विषय पे हमको अच्छी जानकारी चाहिए।
Speaker today already declared Rahul Gandhi ji as an opposition leader officially in the House. It is a courtesy from Rahul Gandhi ji sir to meet Speaker and greet him. And
was there any discussion about the yesterday's remarks that because opposition objected to that also?
It's okay. Certainly during the discussion, the leader of opposition raised that issue. It could have been avoided yesterday. From the Speaker's mouth, this type of political statement will not give a clear-cut message for cooperation.
So, your comment on the President address today, sir, because in the President address today, it was...
Nothing is there. What was in the President's address? To comment. This same as old President's address, last year President's address. Nothing is there. Old schemes, everything is repeated. Nothing new. No expectation for the people of this country. No expectation for the youth of this country. No expectation for the farmers of the country. No expectation for the women of this country. Nothing is there.
Emergency was also discussed.
That's only one political jumlas only.